things are turning upside down, don't become depressed. Keep on making the dhikr of Allah. Bala in tasbiru wa tattaqu. Allah promises all the time in the Quran, if you have two qualities, you don't need to worry. Sabr and taqwa. That's it. Bear patience. Be good to your wives. Be good to your family. Go to your family. Let them smile. That is a resource that is priceless. What did it cost you to go to your wife, to smile at her and tell her, you know what, I appreciate everything you do. May Allah give you Jannah. Wallahi, when she is so happy, Allah will be happy too. Because the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ says, the best from amongst you are those who are best to their wives. Can you not do that with your children, with your siblings? Talk to them nicely. Say a word that they will not forget. They will remember. That is priceless. It didn't cost you anything. See the rahmah and the mercy of Allah descend upon you in your life. Allah will facilitate for you so much of goodness. May Allah grant us all goodness. May Allah open our doors, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive our shortcomings. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to help one another. Be there for your brothers and sisters when they are suffering a loss, even if it is just by moral support. Even if it is just by a good word. Sometimes the weakness we have is when we hear someone had a loss, we say, good, he deserved it. It's about time. That's a bit rough for a mu'min. Don't say that. You heard someone suffered a loss, say, may Allah make it easy for him. Minimum you should say. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive us. May He make it easy for all those who are struggling and suffering across the globe. أقول قولي هذا وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد.